Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about fresh or cooked, how to get the most out of your fruits and veggies. Trying to get the most out of your fruits and veggies. The way you prepare them can really impact their nutrition. Some are best raw, while others get even healthier when cooked. 1. Raw garlic. Garlic is a powerhouse loaded with selenium, which might help control blood pressure and lower cancer risks. You can toss it in cooked dishes, but eating it raw or adding it at the end boosts its benefits. 2. Fresh fruit. Fresh fruit is packed with fiber, low in fat, and loaded with vitamins. Blueberries, grapes, and apples are especially good for keeping diabetes at bay. Just steer clear of store-bought juices, they're often full of sugar and lack fiber. 3. Tomato sauce. Cooking tomatoes for sauce makes it easier for your body to absorb lycopene, which may lower your risk of heart disease and certain cancers. 4. Cooked carrots. Carrots are rich in carotenoids, which help protect your eyes and could reduce cancer risks. Cooking them makes it easier for your body to absorb these nutrients, so roast or steam them. 5. Steamed broccoli. Steaming broccoli softens it while preserving glucosinolate, which may help prevent certain cancers. Avoid boiling or frying to keep its nutrients intact. 6. Pressure-cooked mushrooms. Mushrooms are low in calories but high in fiber and antioxidants. Steaming or pressure cooking can increase their antioxidant levels in some types of mushrooms. 7. Baked sweet potatoes. Baking sweet potatoes helps preserve their fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Keep the skin on for the best nutritional boost, and skip the butter. 8. How you cook matters. Boiling veggies can drain nutrients, but stir-frying, sauteing, or microwaving helps preserve them better. 9. Steaming benefits. Steaming is a great way to keep nutrients without adding fat. Use the steaming liquid as a nutrient-packed broth. But for certain veggies like kale or bell peppers, raw might be better. 10. Timing is key. Don't overcook your veggies, keep them tender and crisp. If cooking a large batch, stick to small portions to ensure even heat. 11. Juicing caution. Juicing can be nutrient-rich, but unwashed fruit skins can carry harmful bacteria. It's safer to wash, cut, and juice at home. By keeping these tips in mind, you can maximize the health benefits of your fruits and veggies. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.